If you are wondering if we have a slow motion mode available in the camera on the Samsung Galaxy A37, then the answer is yes. And if you're looking for this mode, you just have to go to the camera. Then we're gonna tap on more in order to reveal more additional camera modes. And then here we have actually two slow motion modes. We have the standard slow motion, and there is also the super slow motion. So super slow motion is going to be, of course, a video with the even slower effect, if that makes sense. So the slow motion effect will be even stronger, and we can only record a small or a short video actually. So usually the video takes like 2 seconds maybe. So that's pretty much it. Of course, in the case of the standard slow motion mode, we can just keep recording for pretty much as long as we want to. Leave a like and subscribe.